Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to delete all posts on Facebook. To access your Facebook activity log and manage your posts, follow these steps. Firstly, open the Facebook app. Once you're in the app, tap on the menu icon in the bottom right corner. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. After that, go into Settings from here. Now, look for Activity Log in this section. If you don't find it here, go back and tap on the search bar. Then search for Activity Log in the search bar. Go to Activity Log from the search results. After that, scroll down the Activity Log and tap on Your Activity across Facebook. You will find the Post options here. Tap on the Manage button. You can choose to filter your posts by categories and date. Enter your start or end date and then you put them in the recycle bin. And that's pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions down below.